Premier Classe Bordeaux Ouest, Eysines, a modern retreat in Eysines, France. Nestled in the charming town of Eysines, France, Premier Classe Bordeaux Ouest, Eysines offers a modern retreat for travelers seeking comfort and convenience. With its prime location just a short drive away from Bordeaux city centre, this hotel provides easy access to the region's top attractions, making it an ideal choice for both leisure and business travelers. With 71 well-appointed rooms, Premier Classe Bordeaux Ouest, Eysines ensures a comfortable stay for its guests. Each room is tastefully decorated and equipped with modern amenities to cater to the needs of every traveler. Whether you're visiting for a quick weekend getaway or an extended stay, you'll find everything you need for a relaxing and enjoyable experience. Check-in begins at 3 p.m., allowing you to settle in and unwind after a day of travel. The friendly and attentive staff will be there to welcome you and ensure a seamless check-in process. Should you need any assistance during your stay, the hotel's dedicated team is always ready to provide exceptional service and make your stay as comfortable as possible. Please note that Premier Classe Bordeaux Ouest, Eysines has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges involved. It is advisable to contact the hotel directly for more information on the child policy and any additional fees that may apply. When it's time to bid farewell to this delightful hotel, checkout is until 11 a.m. Take your time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast or pack your belongings at your own pace before embarking on your next adventure. Premier Classe Bordeaux Ouest, Eysines ensures a hassle-free departure, allowing you to make the most of your time in Eysines, France. Unwind and have fun at Premier Classe Bordeaux Ouest, Eysines' entertainment facilities. At Premier Classe Bordeaux Ouest, Eysines, guests can enjoy a range of entertainment facilities that are perfect for unwinding and having fun. The hotel features a beautiful garden where guests can relax and soak up the sun while enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Whether you want to read a book, have a picnic, or simply take a leisurely stroll, the garden provides a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. For those looking for a bit of friendly competition, Premier Classe Bordeaux Ouest, Eysines also offers a games room. Here, guests can challenge their friends or family to a game of pool, table tennis, or foosball. The games room is a great place to bond with loved ones and create lasting memories. Whether you're a seasoned player or just looking to have some fun, the games room is sure to provide hours of entertainment.